Hi everyone, you're watching EduCat for NEET. In today's video, we will discuss about pituitary gland. This is included in Biology Class 11th NCERT textbook, Chapter 22, Chemical Coordination and Integration. If you haven't watched the previous videos of this chapter, do watch that first. Now let's start with pituitary gland. First, where is the location of this pituitary gland? This pituitary gland is located in a bony cavity. Cavity means a hollow space, and this is made up of bones. So, in a bony cavity which is known as sella turcica. Sella turcica is a bony hollow structure, and inside you have the pituitary gland. And where is it attached? It is attached to hypothalamus by a stalk. So in this diagram you can see this is the hypothalamus, this is the stalk, and this is the pituitary gland. And this is enclosed in sella turcica, which is a bony cavity. Anatomically, pituitary gland can be divided into two parts, anterior pituitary and posterior pituitary. Anterior pituitary means adenohypophysis. A for anterior, A for adenohypophysis. And this adenohypophysis or anterior pituitary is again divided into pars distalis and pars intermedia. You can say it has two parts, anterior pituitary, while posterior pituitary is known as neurohypophysis. Now, let's talk about the hormones released by the anterior pituitary. There are 7 hormones released by adenohypophysis, that is the anterior pituitary. Growth hormone or somatotrophin, prolactin or prolactin or luteinotrophic hormone. Then we have adenocorticoid hormone ACTH. Then we have TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. We have FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. We have LH, luteinizing hormone. And we have melanocyte stimulating hormone MSH. Let's further discuss about this hormone. GH, first one is growth hormone or somatotrophin. What does it do? Growth hormone, as the name suggests, it elongates our bones. It helps in the elongation of bones. If this is produced in high amounts, if this is hyper produced, this is known as gigantism. If it is produced in low quantities, this is known as dwarfism. Hypersecretion of growth hormone results in gigantism, while hyposecretion of growth hormone results in dwarfism. If this happens in the middle age, this is known as acromegaly. Acromegaly means disfiguration of face, and in severe cases, in rare cases, this also results in death. So this was about growth hormone or somatotrophin. It helps in elongation of bones. If it is secreted in large amount, it results in gigantism. If it is released in smaller amounts, it results in dwarfism. In the middle ages, it causes a disease called acromegaly, in which face is disfigured. Let's talk about prolactin or luteinotrophic hormone LTH. This helps in formation of milk and the growth of mammary glands. Third hormone we have adenocorticoid hormone ACTH. This helps in synthesis and secretion of steroid hormones, which are glucocorticoids. So steroids hormones are also essential for the body functioning. Steroid hormones are nothing but they are called glucocorticoids. So adrenocorticoids stimulate, they synthesize and secrete glucocorticoids. Coming to TSH, which is thyroid stimulating hormone, it synthesizes and secretes of thyroid hormone from thyroid gland. What does it do? It stimulates the thyroid gland to secrete thyroid hormone. Thyroid stimulating hormone means it stimulates the thyroid gland to produce thyroid. Simple as that. We have FSH, which means follicle stimulating hormone. Now this can be seen to have different effects in males and females. Male, it regulates androgens. Androgens in turn regulate spermatogenesis, means the formation of sperms. In females, it stimulates growth of development of ovarian follicles. Coming to luteinizing hormone, which is known as LH. It stimulates, it also has different functions in males and females. In males, it stimulates secretion and synthesis of androgens from the testes. The hormone released from the testes are known as androgens, so it orders the testes. This luteinizing hormone in male, it orders the testes to release its androgens, while in female, it induces ovulation from fully mature Graafian follicles. This was the function of LH. We also have the last hormone, which is melanocyte stimulating hormone. This acts on melanocytes or melanin containing cells. Melanin containing cells are cells that are nothing but they regulate the pigmentation of our body, means the skin color of our body. So melanocyte stimulating hormone, it acts on the melanocytes of our body. This all the hormones of anterior pituitary or adenohypophysis: growth hormone, prolactin, TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, or melanocyte stimulating hormone. We learn all these functions of the hormone. Now let's talk about the hormones of posterior pituitary, that is neurohypophysis. We have only two hormones which are released by neurohypophysis. And the special feature about neurohypophysis is that it stores and releases the hormones which are secreted by hypothalamus. Means hypothalamus secretes the hormone, but posterior pituitary is responsible for releasing the hormone. It stores for a while, and when there is need of that hormone, it releases at that particular time. Now, what are the two hormones? Oxytocin and vasopressin. Oxytocin acts on the smooth muscles, and it also helps in the milk ejection, and it also helps in the vigorous contraction during childbirth. Talking about vasopressin hormone, it is also known as ADH, which is antidiuretic hormone. This hormone acts on the kidneys. It stimulates reabsorption of water and electrolytes by DCT, distal convoluted tubule. So what does vasopressin do? It stimulates the DCT of the kidney to reabsorb, take back again water and electrolytes. Thereby, what does it do? Reduces the loss of water by urine. When there is no reabsorption of water, water is released obviously. So vasopressin controls the water levels in the body. Impairment causes diminishing ability of kidney to conserve water. Means if there is a deficiency of vasopressin hormone, then the kidney cannot conserve the water. This results in weight loss or dehydration, and it results into a condition known as diabetes insipidus. So the disbalance or the impairment, the disability of vasopressin hormone results in diabetes insipidus. This is the name of a disease. This was all about the pituitary gland. Hope you understood this lesson. If you have any more doubts, you can ask in the comment below, and like this video, share, subscribe to this channel. Thank you.